my house! Nonsense! How dare you! You are insulting my wife in my own house? My wife is my priority! You are fired! If I see you anywhere near my house, I will deal with you. Move! Nonsense! Insulting my wife in my own house. You have the guts, the effrontery to insult my wife in my own house? House that I bought with my money? You are fired. And you are fired for life. For life. Let me go in. Oh, you want to insult me too? Do you want to insult me too? You are looking at me. You are fired and you are fired for life. Nonsense. Rubbish. You lack manners, no respect. Insulting my wife in my own house. Nonsense. Sabinus, make sure she leaves this compound. Make sure. You are fired. Nonsense. Sabinus, if I see her anywhere near my gate, you too, I will fire you. I will fire you. Rubbish. Nonsense.
Hey, baby.
I know. You okay?
Yes, I'm good. Welcome. This one, you carried plenty things back. When you left the house, you said you had no money. So what are all these? Babe! See provisions. Where did you get this from?
Well, I have someone who is renting this whole apartment.
What?
For a few days. And the person is willing to pay over 300,000 naira plus a big commission if the business we're trying to do, if it sells through.
Sabinus, I don't understand you. This one no follow now. Why would you rent out this apartment to a stranger without informing me first?
No, baby, this person is not a stranger. This guy is my own bosom friend, Tony. He's from Togo, but he's telling his fiancée that he's from UK.
Lies and deceit. You know how much I hate those, right?
Babe, listen. The girl's father is very, very rich. And when they get married, it does not just mean wealth for only him. It also means wealth for us.
It also means wealth for you. How?
Yes.
Are you the one getting married to her?
He has given us, he gave me, not us, he gave me 20,000 naira plus 2 uniforms for us, yes? 1 uniform for you because you'll be acting as the maid. 1 for me because I will become his personal assistant. And we need to act our part well. Why are you laughing?
Hey! This is my boyfriend, you're funny, Sha. Nice prank. You got me.
It's not a prank, I'm serious. These girls...
Wait first. It's not a prank. So you want me to become a servant in a house I pay rent for?
Baby, you're supposed to understand now. This girl's father is a multi-billionaire.
He's a multi-billionaire and they gave you 20k. 20k, only 20k for advance.
He's not the one who gave me 20k, it is my friend.
It doesn't matter.
It is a racket we are trying to
How does multi-billionaire and 20k?
Now when this racket pull through money, go they listen. Her father is a multi-billionaire.
This one no funny.
And they getting married. Once they get married, my friend will inherit the wealth. When he inherits the wealth, he will settle us. We will have our own settlement. When the money comes like this, baby, believe me, we will buy this house. We will buy cars, full our compound. You know that trip that you always wanted to go for?
Dubai.
We'll go to her. Sharply, immediately.
You take me to Dubai?
Anywhere, name the country.
Hey!
Let me spoil you, baby.
Dubai. But, baby, no. If they had money, you should have given me more than 20k advance.
You make this thing pull through first. But listen, you have to go upstairs. You go upstairs and you move our things from the master bedroom to the guest room. You set the master bedroom for them.
As servants that I am now.
Don't forget.
House girl, house boy. Abby.
Tony. I get this house.
And me, I can't be house girl.
Not just you, me and you.
House girl, house
we
boy.
We are his employees.
I no go do it.
Baby, calm down.
I can't do it. I can't be a house girl, a servant in my house.
We go blow. Now blow, we go blow once this money come out. So just go arrange it, babe. Just move our things to the guest room.
I don't like this thing you're saying.
Oh, baby,
I don't like this thing you're saying.
Come on, you don't want us to live a better life. You don't want us to keep hustling like this. That business,
Okay.
You don't want to enjoy. You don't want flex. We go blow. This is our way out.
I've heard you.
This is our way out. So, honey, so just arrange, just clean the place up, move our things to. I will help you.
I've heard you now. The more you're talking about it, the more it's annoying me.
Why are you vexed now? Just do this for us.
What is enough when the soul is starving? What is a win if the price is heavy? Eyes wide open, still we're blinded by the shine, by the light, by the empty promises. Wanting more than we can stand, losing all just to expand, falling faster than we planned. This is the heart of me, burning bridges with the
Charity!
I'm coming, I'm busy.
Charity, hurry up, oh! Okay, madam, don't come. Hurry up!
Come, my darling. You're welcome to my humble abode.
Oga Tony,
Sabinos.
you're welcome. Welcome, madam. Yes.
Sabinos, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Yeah,
Welcome back from
Charity.
Togo. How are Togo people now?
Togo? What the hell is that?
Sorry. The thing is that her mother is from Togo. So she wishes for everyone to be living there.
Oh,
Yes.
Oga Tony,
Sabinos.
the mayor of London himself, the only Nigerian that dines with the royals in Buckingham Palace. I salute you, sir. I am loyal to your ministry. You are very welcome to your home. Madam, you're welcome.
Thank you.
We are at your service.
That's why I like hyping me so.
Nice.
Well, these are my servants and they are here to do your bidding.
Okay.
Yes.
Please.
All right.
Please, I need a bowl of eba.
Huh?
Yes. Not the hard one.
Eba.
Yes. Very soft one. Yes, with any native soup that you have. But you must add ogiri. And the ogiri should be smelling so the food will be nice. Yeah. And it has to be ready in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, else I'll just start crying. I can call my father and tell him that you guys are starving me here.
No, please, come on. You don't have to do that. Servant, please see to it that she gets what she wants.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Quick, hurry! Leave the bag, I'll get it. Go! Baby, it's okay, just relax. Don't worry, they'll do everything you want.
You're welcome.
Like the place? Yeah. I spent a lot of money in this house, you know. Yeah.
Which one be how far? This is problem. You don't know, say this thing we do not trouble. You know, be like something we will work at all. I don't see the possibility of it working.
Charity, you don't start though. I hope say this thing a joke when you talk so. Because when I see Tony getting married to that woman, a financial freedom be that. If you look that woman herself, her size go show you say that woman then born am on top money, inside money, everything money surround that woman.
It is everybody way big. Now if you say they get money. Some na sickness.
And a better sickness now with that.
Better sickness.
Be plenty now.
As she come, she don't dey ask for a ask of this, ask for that. Yeah, you got it, but you know, say the soup we get for house is small. No meat, no fish, nothing dey inside. Ogiri, where am I go see ogiri from? I dey cook with ogiri. I don't want stress.
You know what's going to happen here? We go just find any ingredients where they smell well. We get smell, go put them inside. Then for the gari, you go make plenty gari. The soup, you go add water on top the soup. When you add water on top the soup, just add crayfish. You go give her taste too. Go serve am.
You know, say this woman be a person where they chop.
That small meat where they just add them, just put them there. Just she go dey alright. Just add everything there. Serve am.
So manager.
She go dey alright.
So me and you uncle, what we go chop? I be you know get out again because.
That one of the reason, you know what happened? Like, say I get like 1K two for body.
1, 2.
And 1, 2. And from the money, the 20K way Tony give me. So what will happen be say, I go use the money buy bread. You go arrange suya. We'll join up together, we'll come chop.
From where?
Babe, calm down now. I sure say, Tony, you go give me money, make we go buy provisions, make we stock the house tomorrow. So now, so we'll take arrange ourselves with that.
Okay, talk about this thing be like problem.
Don't do you no fear, na better money they come. Calm down. Now money just land. The baby skin, don't worry. We go do alright. Charity him.
But look at the SDs and AC in this house now. Please put it on. I'm so hot.
It's okay now, relax. Okay, don't worry, I'll take care of it. Just wait. What? This is the same old AC. What happened to
Sabinus!
Don't worry, I'll sort it out.
Sabinus!
Yes, sir.
Why is this thing not working? Sabinus, I remember that I sent you money from UK to fix these ACs. Why is this thing not working?
Yes, sir. I have paid the AC people already. But I don't know why they've not come to fix it. But don't worry, sir. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll go to their office. I'll fight them and I'll make sure they come and fix it.
Hey God. You didn't tell me you're gonna bring me to your house and suffer. Let me just call my dad so they come and take me out of here.
Baby, relax now. Baby, chill. You don't have to do this now. Look, I'm begging you. See, I'm on my knees. I'm begging you, please. You don't need to call your father. Okay, look, see, I promise you, tomorrow, all right, I will make sure that they fix this AC. If they fail to fix this AC tomorrow, I will sack them, the two of them. Please, I don't need my in-law to see me in that light.
Sir, one more.
My friend, shut up your mouth!
Sorry, sir.
Do you know you're very stupid and incompetent? I pay you fat salaries and you can't even do your job. What nonsense!
Sorry, sir.
Now look at what my queen is going through now. Just because of your stupidity. All you know how to do is to eat and get fat. No. Follow me. My friend, follow me!
Yes, sir.
Follow me!
Come, guy, I don't like this kind of rubbish show. I didn't know insults were going to be part of this game. See, I'm sorry now. Look, you can't think me that.
See, look, I just need to convince her beyond every reasonable doubt that I'm your boss. See, hey, God beg. If you rent AC.
You don't hear where then they rent AC before. For you, see, truth be told, these ACs in this house, they are bad. In fact, they are dead. And you, sir, you know my financial condition.
I do. Okay, see. I just need to treat her well. If you get, I need to treat her well before I can start extorting money from her. I can't mess up with this. I can't mess this golden opportunity up now, guy. What is it now?
See, bro, I'm broke. My fiancée said she's broke. The last food in the house is what we're going to give your fiancé. We don't have anything. You're broke. And there's a limit to what we can do. We have given you what we have. See, we've even turned ourselves to your servant.
Yeah, I know. Understand. Okay, see, just try and see if there's any way we can borrow money. We'll just survive today.
Borrow money from where? Where did they borrow money?
Well, anyway, just try. I know you can come up with something, and I still expect more insults. But shall just let me try now. We'll survive today. This is not good an opportunity.
Madam, you done ready? Iwolom. Enjoy,
Where is the meat and the orishi that's supposed to be inside the soup? See, where I'm coming from, I eat with a quarter of goat. Do you know what it means? It means when you buy a full goat, you share it into 4. That is what I eat with. And the soup, why am I not smelling ogiri inside?
Madam, all these things where you talk, they inform us so. They inform me, say, you and goat na 5 and 6. You get see your face now, see goat face, everything, you know now. But as I buy the goat yesterday, I can't dey scrape the goat. I dey comot the goat baby. As I dey comot the baby, the goat just run. As he pick race, now I pursue him. We begin dey run, kitty kata. I pursue this goat, enter main road. But the goats fast pass me. I know as they talk am now, say they no dey find black goats for night. 9. As I come back, soup wey I don cook. Hey, why I put plenty ogiri, burn. Everything burn to ashes. I begin hurry, start to the fire as I go take do another soup for you. That's why no ogiri inside, no vest. But I promise you, tomorrow, anything what I cook for you, goat go dey inside. Even if na indomie, goat go dey inside. No vest. Just manage this one. You go like and you go go leave them sharp inside your belly. Just manage and tomorrow we will do another goat for you. Madam.
I'm starving.
Madam, no vest. Just manage this one. Sorry. Manage this one. Sorry. You go like Sorry.
No, I can't eat this like that.
Sorry. Just manage. Don't cry. Don't cry. So just manage this one. You know what?
I got work to do, my brother, and a lot of money to make. Jesus. I need to intervene.
See, just don't spoil anything, okay?
Just trust me.
I'm not eating this one.
Make a carry and come. Sorry, I manage him. Sorry. Thank God you are back home. She don't cry since because of the goat meat.
Hey, chai. But madam, small problem there. We don't find the goat. We find them. But that goat, you be like, see that goat they possessed too. You be like, say you get better evil spirit for body. As they go just see me, they go just they laugh, they smile, they do. I don't understand that kind of thing. But madam, no problem. We go kill the goat for you. We go kill him, but you will give us like 6 to 7 hours. Because we go need go call the prophet. We go do deliverance.
Exactly, prayers.
We go deliver, hammer prayer on top the goat. Then you go give us another 3 to 4 hours. By that time, we'll go where human being and spirits where then they buy ingredients. And then we'll go buy the ingredients. We'll go use prepare the goat because now only them go they sell by that time for night. So now midnight market.
Before then, make a carry this
one. No. I go manage this one. I go consume it. I go consume this one. Yes.
If you manage them.
Yes. Thank you.
You just say you go manage them.
No, I go manage them. Thank you. I will manage it.
Now better goat meat. If they even laugh for inside your soup, they do.
We want to give you premium service.
Don't worry, I will manage this.
It's not good make you chop this thing without the goat meat.
No, this is more than first class service. I will eat it. Okay. I will eat it. Just I want to wash my hands. Yes.
Bring water for me. Make you water. Madam, you need anything?
No, just give me water.
Water.
Madam, you just say you go manage them like this without.
What is enough when the soul is starving? What is a win if the prize is heavy? Eyes wide open, still we're blinded by the shine, by the light, by the air.
Madam, take a easy.
Don't worry, I'll eat this one.
Wow.
Oh, I'll eat this one.
Madam, now suicide mission be this.
Manage it.
They're not too big. They're not big. Now suck away your throat. Boom. Hey!
She could need water to wash down.
No, I need juice.
Madam, juice no deal. They talk to them, they riot for market self.
Even a cookie where they sell for down the road. Don't say don't die.
Don't die. Make I bring water.
Hey! Madam.
Thank you.
Powerful.
Oh, that's a very good one.
You, how you think of that kind of life?
You don't forget who your man be. Say brain, I ain't full my body. I get money making sense.
I never see person with like money like you. Because of money, you leave your room. Dash another person say take because of money.
No worry, in a few days we could buy this house.
Yes.
Now we could get this house.
Yes, sir.
But baby, there's something I want to ask you.
What's in that?
You if you borrow money.
I don't understand. Borrow money for who and for what?
Sit down, I'll explain to you. Sit down.
What's happened? You don't come again. You don't start.
Sit down. The business with this.
Oh, you are welcome, my baby. Welcome to my beautiful house.
I know, right?
See, everywhere is so hot.
Jesus Christ. If you won't believe that I gave these two musketeers, these two idiots, money to change the ACs in this room and they did not.
See, baby, I don't think I can stay here tonight. I don't think I can sleep here, please.
No, baby, relax now, relax. You can sleep, there's nothing wrong. Okay, do you know what? I promise you, first thing first, I will make sure I fire those two musketeers, those two idiots, those two mosquitoes you saw downstairs, but I will fire them and I will make sure that they don't get any job in this town again.
Better.
Alright? And then you just try and relax and follow my strategy. Yeah, you'll survive the night.
What strategy?
Well, you just wait and see. But first, I need to take care of those two idiots. Alright? Just relax, I'll be back. Sabinus!
Wait up. Which kind of noise be that?
You like it in the knack.
You welcome. Now human being that knack been a cow.
I don't know.
I beg oh, make them knack out the knack with the one knack now. Don't be say for night when person won't sleep, they will begin make noise like this. I no go take am.
Baby, even if then they make noise anyhow, we go cover our ears. We'll carry pillow blocker.
How they go dey knack person, he go dey shout like say he be cow.
As in the knock down, we'll feed the knock our own too now for night.
You don't start. Charlie, wow.
Her voice can be
Now
like
so they
man,
dey moan. Wow.
You should if it be man and man.
Still crept in. Now I'm dancing in silence. Truth has a taste, but doesn't make a sound.
Oh, baby, continue now. Continue.
Sorry, my love. Sorry, my love.
Baby, faster.
Okay, my love. Okay. I'm sorry.
So that's it oh. The loan will bring plenty profit.
Oh, Chacha, I like the sound of that, See, Yankee is loan and loan is Yankee, but I need to confirm from Sabino so if the project is, this thing is viable, then profit go follow.
Well, let's go and see him now.
Let's go now. Loan is not the problem, Chacha.
Trust me.
Once I confirm from Sabino, and last go enter.
From his explanation, it's legit.
I like the sound of business.
And the profit. If you hear the profit, you
from the way
you will even give us more.
Now better business.
Yes, now.
Hey.
Let's go so that he will use his mouth to tell you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Thank you, man.
Jimmy,
Yes, baby.
baby, you know that I have proven to you beyond every reasonable doubt that I love you and wants to marry you.
Yes. Yeah, I'm feeling the love.
But there's there's something I want to tell you.
Baby, talk to me. What's it?
Okay. Look, babe, initially I wasn't gonna tell you this, alright? Because I don't want you to find out. Okay, but then I said to myself, hey, why lie to the woman you love? Right? Like, what's the essence of lying, And I said, okay, fine. Maybe it's time to just come out straight and just tell her the way it is. And yeah, she would understand.
Yeah, baby,
right?
I will.
Okay. Alright, but promise you won't look down on me.
Baby, no, talk to me.
Okay. Maybe the thing is, the day I landed from the UK, but the thing is, I still can't believe that we still have bad people, bad boys in this country.
Baby, we
We
do.
still have hoodlums.
Yes.
Like, it's crazy. What's the government doing about it? It's not supposed to be so. Okay, check this out, baby. The day I landed from the UK. Okay, so as I was leaving the airport, the moment I just came out from the terminal, these boys accosted me. Before I could say Jack, they pounced on me.
Oh my God.
Right? So before anything, like everything was just happening within split seconds. Okay, these guys, they took away everything from me. My bags, my shoes, everything.
Oh, no.
Baby, my bag that has my Rolex, my designer shoes, my clothes, everything. They took it away from me. My passport, even, baby, the bag they took from me, right, had 300,000 pounds. Maybe 300,000 pounds. You know how much that is in naira? I don't want to tell you. Okay, now, as if that was not enough. Okay, after they took that one, right, I said to myself, okay, fine, it's just money, right? The material things, they can go with it.
Yes.
I can replace it.
Yes.
Right? And then I realized that these guys took my card. Baby, my black card, my diamond card, my gold card, all the cards. They took it away. I said to myself, okay, fine. I can just call my bank, right?
Yes.
And have them block the card and transfer all my money, the money that is in those cards, right, in the accounts, and transfer them back to me in Nigeria. Baby, before I could make that call, these guys have swept my account clean.
Oh my God!
$4.8 million. No, what am I saying? No, 4.8 million pounds, baby. They took everything. Everything. You know, I told you I had some dollar accounts, right? Baby, they swept everything. There was no money anywhere. Like, these guys, they just wrecked me. At that point, I felt like taking my own life. Like, I ran into depression, baby. I wanted to kill myself. Like, what the hell am I living for? What's a man's life without money?
I'm so
Right?
sorry.
How am I supposed to take
baby.
care of you now?
I'm so sorry, baby. I know.
It's crazy. Like, it's so frustrating. I didn't even know where to go now. Okay, where am I going to go from
It's
here
okay.
now?
It's okay,
All
my
right.
love. It's okay.
The only money that was left to me was what we spent at that restaurant, and I just don't want you to hate me now. You know, maybe because I'm broke and things, you think that no, I can't afford you, right?
No, baby, it's okay. Eh? Thank God it was just your money they took and not your life.
Yeah, thank God.
Don't worry.
Yeah, thank God.
I will help you get back on your feet. Yes.
You will.
Yes, baby, I will.
The thing is, I just don't want to bother you. You know, I don't want you to carry my own burden. You have your own problems, even though your dad has money, right? But no, I'm not that kind of man. But
Baby, see, don't worry. See, I'll go downstairs. I'll just call my father on a video call and I'll tell him I'm happy and I'm fine, and that's all. He will send us money. He will send you back your money.
yeah, you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Baby, thank you.
Thank you, my love.
You're God sent. I love you.
Love you too, baby.
God, how did I get so lucky? You're an angel in disguise.
I know, my love. Don't worry, you get your money back.
Yeah. When I get my money back, I will spoil you. Alright? You won't have to depend on your dad's money again because I'm a man and the man's supposed to take care of his wife.
Burning bridges with the bends. Oh, this is the act of man. Burning bridges with the bends. This is the act of man. Burning bridges with the bends. This is the act of man. Burning bridges with
How you think survive last night now? Because we couldn't sleep. It be like say then they fight Biafra war for inside your room, abi. Now Olympics now they do. My brother, see that woman we did there. That woman has serious work. Hey. What you have? See,
Now I know why her billionaire father put her online with huge money for anybody we marry. That woman. Okay, first was the issue of heat. Okay, so I did all I could. Right? I just said that one don't pass. So when weather come, they cool. I was okay, fine. Maybe now an opportunity to rest. But my brother, I know saying at the beginning of my suffering that last night, he no care with you, no do. Wait, even always call the pain. Hey, this woman introduced that one of them see they exist. On top of that one, then when the come finally click, everywhere scatter. Hey, water as in
On the mirror.
like this everywhere.
Oh, shot.
We hear how I hear it.
Even our neighbor here, they called me, they were asking what is going on. I said it's nothing. I just use one kind talk, they get change the whole thing we have. You know what? That's the way they do. Because they do and they go. They do one because at the end of the day, now our jackpot me that
They go and they go. You know, say energy they use that be.
no worry, now business we they do.
But say today, not the D-Day. Right? Now today that do.
Collect chop.
Not for you.
Correct. Because fire master. Fire master.
They will go
Fire
there.
master. No, I go bury you well. Fire master.
What is it?
Who be that? Who be that thing for your house?
She no be thing, oh. Relax. You see this woman? She's the daughter of a billionaire.
Billionaire?
As a matter of fact, she's the reason we're collecting the loan. Guy, once this business blow like this, when it's done, you don't hit jackpot, and I'll pay you your money back with interest.
See, just stop that nonsense. In fact, wait Sabinus.
Which nonsense now? What you want? What is Sabinus? Tell me now.
See, call Sabinus now before it's too late to call her now.
What do you want Sabinus? Tell me.
See, Chacha, I no go talk to you again.
What happened?
I no go talk to you. Go Sabinus.
They confuse me.
See, no let me leave you. Go Sabinus now.
Okay.
Go Sabinus. Let's talk to her. See, Chacha, hey, I dey save on my head for big distance. Go Sabinus.
Tell me now.
I no go tell you. Go Sabinus. Will you get up? Stand up from here.
Sorry, sir.
Nonsense. What's the meaning of all this? Eh? By the way, where's that stupid maid?
She went to buy something for madam.
She went to buy something for madam.
Yes, sir.
For how long? See, this is one thing I don't like in this country. This is one thing I don't like. Eh? Back in UK, you order things, anything you want, you just place order online and they will deliver it to you. Gosh.
Tony,
Yes, baby.
I want to see you right now.
Okay, baby.
I mean right now.
Okay, I've heard you. And you make sure that the arrays of delicacies are ready before I come back.
All right, sir.
Nonsense. Incompetent people. And get that stupid maid.
This guy, they do too much. What's happening?
Baby, lock the door.
What is it? The door is locked. The way you dragged me just now, is everything okay?
See, baby, aside being a billionaire's daughter, I have a gift of seeing.
Really? I never knew.
See, there's a guy I saw now. His name is Yankee. See, baby, that guy is evil. Yes, he's filled with charms and poison. See, baby.
Charms and poison.
See, that guy defrauded my father of over 450 million naira. Yes.
Really?
Before the EFCC even recovered everything, So he's always trying to sniff me out. He's always looking for me. I even heard his father is a great tibia, a spiritualist.
Hey! Why is my village people always following me about? Eh? What did I do to them? See, do you know what? Come and show me that guy. Come and show me, let me finish him off. Show me the guy, let me finish him off.
No, baby.
No, don't tell me no. Anyone on my path of prosperity must be destroyed.
No, baby. I don't want you to destroy him. See, the only thing I want you to do is to warn Charity and Sabino to stay clear from him. That's all. Else I'll call off the relationship. Oh, I'll take my money away.
Baby, calm down now. You're taking this thing too far. You don't need to call off any relationship because of one idiot. But wait till babes. Do you do you have the money here with you?
Yes! Yes, baby! See, I wanted to give you $500,000 by the end of the day. Then I'll give you the remaining millions when we get married.
You know what, baby? Say no more. That guy is dead. He's as good as dead. Do you know what? He's a dead man living. Look, as a matter of fact, I'm going downstairs now to deal with him. His people need to start preparing his funeral. Whoever knows him should go and tell his people. Hey, that guy is gone. He's gone. Baby, I'm coming.
Yeah.
What's in the all this one where they look up, they look like say they see angel, they come from heaven. I don't understand you now. Whatever it is you want to say, just open your mouth and say it. Say it. Is it too heavy for it to come out from your mouth?
You must be Yankee.
Yeah. How do you know him?
Through revelation. This guy is a fraud of the highest level.
Me. Now wait, let me tell you something. You see this guy? This guy defrauded my in-law of 450 million.
Hey!
450 million!
Me!
The EFCC recovered it. And then he has vowed to kill my fiancée.
Me?
That's why he throws her everywhere she goes. Just because he's a son of a dreaded spiritualist. This is what you are seeing here. This is an mafia.
Hey!
This is where he's a devil incarnate. This
Me?
boy. Yes! Oh, you want to deny?
Hey, the devil is playing. Is that what she told you? Because she knows I know her. I know this person. Oh, is that what she told you?
Oh, now I know who you are. So you are evil like this. No wonder. No wonder anyone who borrows money from him ends up poorer.
Oh!
Not be able to pay.
Oh!
Every time I borrowed money from him, my life became more miserable.
You see?
Now I know who you are. You know, I don't want to see you anywhere near this compound. You better leave now.
Not you.
Yeah, you will find out.
You better leave, oh! You better leave, you evil man. See, your secret is in the open now. You better leave. You better leave.
In fact, you're a big fool. Devil, who is trying to spoil everything good in people's lives. Let me see you anywhere around this compound. You will see what I'll do to you. Idiot. Nonsense.
I think Yankee knows something.
Doesn't know anything.
I'm serious.
Doesn't. But everything Tommy told you is the truth though. See, every time I have borrowed money from Yankee, I always went into problems and more debts. I hope you didn't ask. I hope you didn't take anything from him.
Not yet. He came to confirm what we needed the money for before he saw her. Yeah, I think he knows something. You know, I think you should ask him. You know, he's been our friend for a long time. Let's find out what the thing is.
Friend. Charity, I'm beginning to suspect you.
Let's find out what he knows.
How can an opportunity of a lifetime come our way like this? And God has exposed our enemies. And you are saying all this? In fact, I'm going to go and look for a weapon to make sure he does not step into this house again. I'm serious. I'm making you feel like this.
Who the hell are you? What sort of stupid question is that? First of all, a stupid maid like you stormed into my husband's room asking me stupid questions. You smell.
I am not a...
Wait, calm down. Tony! Honey! Honey!
Baby, what is this? What are you shouting?
I want that maid fired. Yes!
Why? What did she do?
She must leave this house. She stormed into this place and talked to me as if we are equals. Is she okay? Baby, I want her fired. I'll leave this house and I'll leave with my money.
No. Baby, stop now. Stop saying all these things. Which one is you leave? I already told you that this is your house, so you better get comfortable. You said I should sack her, right?
Yes!
Then she's fired.
Fine.
She's fired!
Baby, now!
She has to leave.
Which one will you mean say she has to leave? But I think so you talk say you see the $500,000. I don't wanna fight.
No. Charity insulted my wife. Okay? And now she has asked me to sack her. Else she will leave with her money.
Wait, now my own Charity they talk say me she leave. No, that one not happen now. Guy, reason am now. The reason why they hustle like this now because of Charity. I won't bless them with so many good things. But forget that talk, you know what happen. See,
Ask me, I tell you. I see this money with my 2 eyes. $500,000. Look, you know the exchange rate of dollar now. Okay, make I explain and give you. $500,000 be like 790 million. Bro, 790 million. Now I go give you 300 million. Then I go hold 400 million to hold my side. Now, with that kind of amount, you see you no go sack Charity. You know the guy don't want to play. You didn't want me.
300 million.
Yes, now.
You sure say now the current naira to dollar exchange rate with that?
Bro, if he pass so get. I know say go pass.
300 million. Hi. Charity.
Yes, now.
No, it's in 300 million. Charity don't come out. I go sack her. I don't sack her. In fact, as she did like this now, her body dey here, her spirit don't go. 300 million.
Hey. First, I go better for all. She dey get him just sack Charity. You can sack Charity.
But the money big, oh. The money big, well. 300 million. If I get that kind of money, I go use and say sorry to Charity. I go say sorry.
Sorry, your face being like this. What is it?
Which one be what does she want? Just say it. Snakehead.
Charity, you're sacked. Pack your things and leave.
You say what? I am sacked. Make I pack my things and leave. You smoke something?
We brought a bag of treasure into this house. You see I'm so. And you know that's my only means to escape my condition right now into wealth. But you went and insulted her.
I didn't insult her. I was only curious. I was curious and I asked. And when I realized that I shouldn't have asked, I didn't say anything again. I just stopped there.
The damage has been done already. You've done the damage. See, just pack your things and leave. When I get my 300 million, I'll come for you.
If it's a joke, stop it. Okay? I should pack my things and leave. I should leave a house that we both pay rent for. Come on now.
When I get my 300 million naira, I'll come for you. See, Pata they will stay here for like 1, 2 or 3 days max.
Sabine, where am I supposed to go to?
Just go anywhere. Make sure not just see you for this house.
I should go anywhere. You're not serious. Sabinus, you're not serious, so you better come back. Sabinus! Okay, Toriba. I should pack my things and leave a house that I pay rent. Come and carry me.
Baby, is she gone now?
Well, she's packing her things. You look like her world just literally collapsed. You know, this maid work means everything to her.
She deserves it. She deserves every bit of it. How did she stand before a billionaire's daughter and talk to me in such a manner?
I think you're right, baby. Yes, you're right. I mean, she's stupid.
Yes.
Like, that girl is very, very stupid. I mean, why would she talk to you like that? Why? I think it's because I'm overpaying them, that's why. That's what's giving her the mind, the liver to be talking to you anyhow. Do you know what? Let me just go and watch her pack her things and make sure that she's really living. You know, these people, they can be up to some mischief, you know. So let me go and make sure.
See, hurry up, oh. I want to put my leg, maybe you help me find something.
Again? You know they tire.
Okay, I'm leaving.
No. Relax now. In this small thing, you're leaving to where? Look, this is your house now. You better get comfortable. Well, wait till let me just go and check. And then I'll take some herbal roots so I can ginger myself.
Now you are talking.
So I can walk on you.
Yes!
I'ma eat you raw, baby.
Baby.
The price is heavy. Eyes wide open, still we're blinded by the shine, by the light, by the empty promises. Wanting more than we can stand, losing all just to expand, falling faster than we planned. This is the heart.
You know, if a soothsayer had told me that this would happen, I wouldn't have believed.
My love, 300 million naira is not small money, not be beans.
Thunder, fire that mouth when you use call me your love. Who is your love? I am not your love. Don't ever call me that again. Your friend is your love. That thing you call a treasure is your love.
Babe, try and understand now. Understand, please now.
Respect yourself and give me space to pack. Just respect yourself.
I know now. I'm just trying to. I want you to increase your pace. Increase. Hurry up.
You want me to increase my life? You cannot wait to get me out of this house, right? Don't worry, I'm leaving. Just get out. Let me focus.
You leave the house.
I said I'm leaving now. Get out. Let me focus.
You're supposed to understand now. Don't claim.
I don't blame you. I really don't blame you. I should try and increase my space. God. I can't believe this. Don't worry. Let me out of this house. I don't blame you. Nonsense. It's myself I blame now. They never marry me. They never do anything on top of my head. I carry my load.
Yui. What do you want?
Just give me just 1 minute of your time, please.
What are you looking for here?
I just need just 1 minute of your time.
Oh, you need 1 minute, Abby?
Please.
Okay. Don't worry, I know what to do. What's that police
Please.
emergency number again?
Okay, please. It's alright. It's alright. I will leave.
No, don't leave. Come and stay. Nonsense. What kind of evil is lurking around this place? Let me catch you here again. Rubbish.
Bros, abeg. No vex, abeg, come. Abeg, no vex, abeg.
I always say I'm in a hurry.
I know say you dey in a hurry, abeg, no vex. Abeg, you take style no sabi nurse. Abeg, because I dey try dey call am. I don't even call am all social media platform. E no dey go. In fact, the hostility wey I get, I no go fit reach am. Abeg, if I fit, I don't know if you know am, if I fit talk to am, abeg.
Also?
I just wan use your phone take call am. Make I fit deliver this life-saving message wey go change im life. Abeg, just
Now so una dey take come. Now I know your plan. Like you wan use my phone, make call, kidnap person.
Kidnap
later
what?
they go come hold me, they track my phone.
Bros, no be so.
Oga, no use me that one, abeg.
Abeg,
No, even come close.
You're fired! Leave my house! Nonsense! How dare you? You're assaulting my wife in my own house? My wife is my priority. You are fired. If I see you anywhere near my house, I will deal with you. Move! Nonsense. Insulting my wife in my own house. You have the guts, the effrontery to insult my wife in my own house? House that I bought with my money? You are fired. And you are fired for life. For life. Let me go in. Oh, you want to insult me too? Do you want to insult me too? You are looking at me. You are fired and you are fired for life. Nonsense. Rubbish. You lack manners, no respect. Insulting my wife in my own house. Nonsense. Sabinus, make sure she leaves this compound. Make sure. You are fired. Nonsense. Sabinus, if I see her anywhere near my gate, you too, I will fire you. I will fire you. Rubbish. Nonsense.
But the dark still crept in. Now I'm dancing in silence. Truth has a taste, but doesn't make a sound. Doesn't make a sound. A sound. This is the heart of me. Burning bridges with this pain. This is the heart of me. Burning bridges with this pain. This is the heart of me. Burning bridges with this pain. This is the heart of me. Burning bridges with this pain.
What happened?
He sent me away.
Oh my goodness. Why?
Please, I'm tired. I need to sit somewhere.
I'm so sorry. Bring your bag. Bring your bag. So sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Eh? Sorry. Hi. So sorry.
Yeah, I know be smarting my eye this you. Yeah, I'm going through a lot. You don't go understand.
Baba me.
You don't go understand.
Why you dey cry now? Wetin dey make you cry now? Eh?
Brother, if you know what I want to go face you, if you know the kind of shake, my eye will go inside that room. No, you don't know, Chia. You don't go understand.
Listen. It is a long journey to wealth and success. Now, why people they talk say if they tell poor man wetin he go do make he get money, make he dey rich, the poor man go rather choose to remain poor. You don't understand what they talk?
Yeah, I'm only about this motivational talk when they talk so. You know the kind of work with person they work. I know they rest.
You don't do.
I know they rest.
We are close to our success now. Calm down. Make you be man. Listen, wetin go happen be say, see, we are close to our success. We don't nearly reach there. The only thing I want to make you do be say, make you use your 2 koro eyes, make you confirm the money, make you see them. That's all. Be man now, be man. Eh? Hold body. Now walk with it. Calm down. Now walk with it.
Anything for the money. This thing, sha.
Make am now. Drink am now, drink. Make you fit fire well. Step down. That your waist, make you use am well. You don't charge. Yeah. Go to work. Yes, sir.
In case I die, call my mama.
No worry, if you die, I go collect the money. I go help you collect the money.
See, that ghost go haunt you.
For me, eh? So say me, I don't need this thing, self.
Hello, Coochie Coochie. Come.
Baby,
babe, I don't want you to look at this the wrong way. All right, so I don't want you to think that maybe I don't believe you or something like that. No, I believe you, right? Huh? But baby, the thing is, I don't know if I can just see the bundle of dollars. See if I can just touch it, baby. If I can just touch it like this, hey, baby, you see on my body the way they will start vibrating, they will be as hard like rock.
Come and see. She's saying you to touch it. Touch it.
Oh, this is money. This is real, oh. Hey!
So you were doubting me?
Me? Doubt you? No! Am I mad? Why will I doubt you? Oh, baby, I wasn't doubting you. I just needed to be sure. Eh? Oh, baby, this is true.
Okay. True what?
No. I don't want to look at it like that. Eh? You know what I mean? Like, okay, so this is true. Like, it's true that my enemies will not laugh at me. Like, it's true that my enemies will be put to shame. That's what I mean. I can never doubt you. Look, baby, right now, I'm fully charged. I am charged. Well, baby, down here now. Hi, baby. Are you sure you're ready for me?
I am.
I'm gonna eat you up.
So you're doubting me?
Why will I doubt? Hey!
Baby.
Look, I'm ready to kill you now.
Kill me, baby.
Oh!
Yeah.
Wow. Oh boy, this life no balance at all. No balance. So, now because of money, now I send the love of my life, my sweet potato, my original tom-tom. Because of money, now I send them come out. Boy. Wow. Anyway, now for either 1 day or 2 days, pata. Abi? What's the person go do now? I hustle with it. It is well. It is well. It is well, it is well, it is well, it is well with my soul. Hi, Obim. It is well.
Oh, Yankee, why now? Why didn't you say everything at the same time? You delayed.
Yes, I delayed, but it was so heavy in my heart that if I told him, he wouldn't have believed me anyway. He wouldn't.
You said he wasn't taking your calls. You should have at least left messages for him. This wouldn't have been happening now.
Charity, I tried. Before I could do anything, he has blocked me on every social media platform. Besides, I lost sense of reasoning. I was so worried that I lost sense of reasoning.
This is bad, oh. This is really bad. This is what's happening now. What? Oh.
Give me water. Cool water. You blocked one.
But you know, say the fridge no dey work now.
Oh, guy, give me water. Cold, hot, any water. Just bring water, guy. They die. They die.
Take. Now, what happened? Hey! I know I don't need to ask you what happened. But my own be say, can you use your 2 eyes see the dollars?
My brother, I saw I smelled. I haven't touched the bag of dollars for starting that Olympic game.
Hey! So you mean $500,000, which is equivalent to 790 million naira. He did this house like this.
My brother, yes.
Hey! Sabinus, you don't blow. I don't blow. I'm a big boy now. Big boy, chairman. Oh boy. Just show me, make I feel something. We have it feel like.
Choose your sports, but don't touch me, don't touch me.
We can't feel anything.
Just
hey, don't blow. Ah! Yes, yes.
Where are you going to?
I will be going to my friend's place where I will be sleeping. Okay?
No, this is not fair to you. I think I should go to the village tomorrow so you can have your space to yourself.
See, Chacha, I'm not complaining. I would never complain.
Are you sure?
Of course I am sure. I just need you to be comfortable, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Well, you don't need to thank me. Just be comfortable. I'll see you tomorrow. And let me know if you need anything and I'll be rushing back, okay? See you tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah.
I will tell you.
You know what I do, eh? I saw my refrigerator. Saw my soup, my wristwatch, everything. So I could feel arrange the money to buy all this enjoyment what they enjoy. So all this much, you know. But when the money don't drop, I could buy the ones with big pass.
Original ones, so designers.
But the latest car, I go buy out.
You know, when you tell me this thing, I don't believe you serious. I haven't seen you the joke.
Not a joke. Anything I talk, I be talking and do. Anything I talk, I do.
I don't see how, guy. I believe you there. You two get doings.
How so?
I just think you could enjoy yourself upstairs now.
Why should I enjoy it? You know what I buy? So I give her.
Yeah.
With the flex now.
I don't. You two try.
But, cheers. Don't blow.
Very soon like this now. Cash out. Get you they talk.
Thank you, Baba God.
No, that's how I like to change you.
Thank you.
Honey kuchi kuchi. Honey baby. Baby. Okay, having fun.
Yes, baby. Mad fun! You guys are the best!
I know, right? Enjoy yourself, okay? I'll see you later. Baby.
What is enough when the soul is starving? What is a win if the price is heavy? Eyes wide open, still we're blinded by the shine, by the light, by the empty promises. Wanting more than we can stand, losing all just to expand, falling faster than we planned. This is the heart of me, burning bridges with the bands. Oh, this is the heart of man, burning bridges with the bands. Oh, it's a pity. I did really making my happy to be tea. Thinking money could fill all that's missing. And like a shadow that wandered from time to places. I lit up a candle, but the dark still crept in. Now I'm dancing in silence. Truth has a taste, but doesn't make a sound. Doesn't make a sound, a sound. This is the heart of me, burning bridges with the bands. Oh, this is the heart of me, burning bridges with the bands. This is the heart of me, burning bridges with the bands. This is the heart of me.
Listen, we go need escort though.
Escort?
Now.
For waiting now. No. We no dey need anybody. Look, we no dey involve anybody for this matter. You dey get? If you involve person now, they'll go rob us for road. And the money will go like that. No, nobody.
I know what last year. I don't arrange better bookie. We will give us good rate.
I understand you. What did they work you now? Which one be to arrange better bookie? Now me bring business, now you dey make arrangements. We no tell me. Come. Look, I don't suspect you. It's just you never go arrange boys for road, make they will us.
Tony, you dey use star the committee.
Yes, I dey come thief. Come this period, I don't trust anybody. At this moment now, I don't trust anybody. Even yourself, so I dey look you.
Anyway, no wahala. Because I know say this money, I go bring my breakthrough. I go keep quiet. Anything where you call me, I accept them. If you like, make you call me thief, make you call me robber, make you call me rapist, make you call me this one, that one. No problem. We'll go change the money.
Yeah, that's just supposed to be. See, my manga don't give me better bookie shop plug. He said go give us better rate. So we'll just reach A and A as we dey go. So talk to anybody.
I did the phantom right now.
We'll greet you good morning, no answer.
We'll change the money.
Why the waka like say now you get money?
Good morning.
How was your night?
Well, I couldn't sleep last night, so I decided to call him. Then I realized he blocked me.
So sorry to hear that. Well, on the brighter side, I need to inform you that I have a plan.
A plan?
Yeah, a plan.
But what plan?
It's okay. I just want to tell you I have a plan.
Okay. Alhaji Sani Abi? Yes, now like $500,000. Okay, yeah, we come with the road. All right, you see just now. Okay.
Taxi they go.
Oga no vex. The Alhaji way you call na for a change of dollar. Sorry, you know why I dey talk? I get one Alhaji wey go change am for na for better rate, like times 2 of wetin that other person fit help una change. Yes.
So you mean say our 790 million naira go become 1.5 billion?
You no go shut up your mouth. I know what you mean.
I don't know when they come off from my mouth.
My brother, I know say you person wey carry money go dey fear, but trust me, I dey genuine. Na genuine help na I wan offer una like this. My own be say I carry on, I go my own allergy, when I change the dollar, find me some percentage. That's all I'm interested in. If you like, I take you around town today. I go close work today. No say I carry on, I go better places where I go enjoy your money.
Like better food and umumwa.
Just shut the hell up, Sabinos.
Sorry, sir. Okay, get money for your account.
Me?
At least make we the group first now, so that when we change money, we go.
That one no be problem. I get like 350 for my account. Yes, I feel borrow na or go they spend them when you change the dollar.
Okay.
You refund me, and of course some percentage we go follow. Now what are they interested in?
No worry, that no be problem, that no be issue. You know what you go do now? Just carry us go that junction first. May you buy us better takeaway.
Abi?
With chicken, not chicken the chop abi.
Chicken and fish together.
Correct, no problem.
Okay, just buy us takeaway with 2 chicken.
No problem.
We'll just let them enjoy first.
No problem.
Fish,
And then after that one, I go call my book. We'll go my bookie side because me I don't trust anybody. Only my woman I trust.
Okay.
Yes. Then once we change money, we'll balance you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
See, Tony, I know they like this thing where they do. Why they behave like this now? I think say since the money don't dey our hand, all this Oga boy thing go don't stop. Why they insult me like this now? See, in case you don't know, me and you, we don't turn millionaire already. We get money.
Sabinus, shut up your mouth. Sabinus, when I say shut up, you shut up. Because right now, as it stands, I me hold your destiny for my hand.
True, I you hold my destiny, no wahala.
So when I say you shut up, you shut up.
Sorry, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Every time you go to talk, now who get money, now get power.
So things like you get the money now.
Who get that before?
Oh, yeah, make a hold on. Make a hold on. You don't hold on. Take it now.
My friend, come on here.
I know they trust you these days.
When I did all those work, where you did?
My gas then.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't buy them.
Yes, see.
Correct.
Now 2 plates. One get chicken and fish. Give
me my chicken and fish. Oh.
Yeah, I bet drop.
See, I buy 2 bottles of drink and wine.
That
one now, it don't spend like 10,000. No.
10,000.
Maybe with the calculator now.
No wahala. So we'll give you like 30K for this 10,000 when you do so.
No wahala.
Correct.
Okay, be better person, no.
What you go do?
Okay, after this transaction, you go change this motor.
I know. I trust on Anna.
Yeah.
As I look on her face now, you guys are promising young men.
Yes,
I know you.
Don't worry.
You change my
percentage. You come out of Sabinus money.
So you saying number what?
Number 5, that Juma.
Number 5, that Juma.
Yeah.
I know that.
Don't worry, just take it.
When I know what you.
Hey, we go chop.
We go chop.
Go.
Just go.
Okay. I go run now.
Well, has to be today or never.
No wahala.
Once more.
No wahala.
Who's there? Hello, who's there? Yankee? Yankee? Who's that? Yankee? Don't tell me to calm down.
Please calm down.
Do not tell me that. Who was that? Huh? Was he here to kill me? Did you send him to rape me? Was that the plan you said you had all along?
Chacha, please. If you keep yelling, I won't be able to explain. So the best thing to do now is just please calm down.
I don't want to listen to whatever you have to say. I'm not going to calm down unless you tell me who that guy is.
Chacha, please calm down. Just give me a room to explain. That's all I ask from you, please.
You know what? You're really who they say you are. Goodness, I can't believe I fought Sabinus and Tony because of you. I don't think I'm safe here. I'm leaving.
Tata, please. Just
leave me alone.
Okay, let me explain.
Just leave me alone.
I have a better explanation
Leave
to
me
you.
alone.
Okay, please let me explain. Just please give me a chance to explain. Tata, please.
Hello! Life is good! But give me chicken for there. Give me chicken. Never finish up. My own I chop.
I follow for the group.
Now relax. Make we reach where we dey go, driver.
No problem. I trust him.
Yes. Baby there. Money sweet. Cheers. Money sweet. Hey, my brother. Okay, you feel am? Let the spin dey go. Abeg go.
Wait, what happened? What did you do? She not suspect that I'm up to no good. What happened?
Guy, listen. I know her, and I'm sure she didn't see me. See, I once begged and begged to date her, but she left me and followed one guy like that. Eh? Because of that, I even have to pack out of the yard.
Well, that is the guy we're trying to save. By staging a fake kidnap so we can bring him out from this impending disaster that is about to happen.
Listen, I hate them. Yes, I hate them since then. And I will contribute to anything that will cause them more pains.
Okay. Wait, what? Why?
Where is she? Is she the one? No, be that one. No, be she. No be she, I beg. Move. Tell us, show us where she is. We don't have time. She's upstairs.
Okay, what's happened?
They catch them with fake dollars.
Jesus.
At the point of changing it. That's the allergy call police for them. I don't know, say na fake dollars. I don't they carry them about since today. They say one lady give them $500,000. Now when they won't go change and they see all of them are fake. And what did they pay me now? No be any other thing. I say I don't involve my money for where then. I don't spend almost 300,000 naira. They carry them about, they flex them because they tell me say if they change it, they go pay me back. Now how I want to see my money back.
See, I know her. I know this particular lady. I know her very, very well. In fact, I even know one of her victims. You see, this lady, she's sex-starved. She loves sex too much that, you know what? She prints fake dollars, she goes on live videos, she tries to entrap men. You know, men want to actually see those things now. She tries to entrap them. When she gets them into a trap, she goes on shopping spree, leaves them into that trap, and she escapes. That's what she does.
So what do we do now?
Well, what at first hit the ground running to actually save your fiancé and save his friends as well.
Right now, I'm still very mad at him, so maybe I would do it tomorrow or something.
Oh, that might not be a good idea. Leave your anger first. Let us deal with this issue now and for all. Tomorrow might be too late.
He didn't hear what I said. Look, I'm mad at him. I can't get myself to speak to him right now. See what he did to me now. Come on.
I would think you should have a routine because tomorrow might be too late. Huh?
But I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like getting in positions like this. He was right. He was right. Speak of the devil. Yankee, you were right. You were right. Thank God you came early. Do you know that she did the exact thing she did to those other people? The fake dollars.
Oh.
And now police is here. I'm sure she must have been arrested.
Oh my God.
They're inside now.
Bella! Bella! There she is.
She no dey there.
Hey!
Call her number, call her.
Fast.
Call on. How far? Switched off. No. Call her again now. Call her. This is not possible now. After everything that we've gone through.
Yeah, switched off.
Officer, I beg, wait. Officer, come. Hey, officer, wait, officer.
We are taking you guys to the police station. This is not a small case. 500,000 fake dollars if you don't be here. Settle what?
I don't even know who say make I come back from Togo self. Who say me all this kind thing? I for just the way I did now, they cross me for border, they collect my small bread.
Move for me. Move for me.
We're the victims here.
Oh my God. She must have fled. If they left her alone, knowing fully well what she did, she must have fled.
Wait. No wonder this door was open when I came. She's gone. Oh my God. She has escaped. She has escaped. She escaped.
No. I beg.
Move, open that door.
She escaped. She even left the door open.
Because she knew she knew what she has done.
Empty stomach. Empty bank account. Empty life. What am I even living for? Tell me, Tony, what exactly am I living for?
Don't say that. Okay. Look, we'll just get a menial jobs and do so we can save up some money. And then you move to Togo with me. We can start all over again. This is not the end. Well, I know this whole thing is my fault. I brought this upon us, okay? And I take the blame for it.
It's not your fault. It's greed. Greed from you and I. Even this same greed made me to lose the most important person in my life. My best ally. My fiancée, Charity. All because of greed.
So what do we do now? You threaten to kill yourself, and that is not a joke. Look, I just believe that there's a way out of this. Okay, we'll find a way. We'll pull through.
I beg, give me your phone. Your phone dey there.
My phone?
I don't get credit for phone. Make I call person, see what's in the feed.
It is upstairs.
I beg, bring her, man. All right.
What is enough when the soul is starving? What is a win if the price is heavy? Eyes wide open, still we're blinded by the shine, by the light, by the empty promises. Wanting more than we can stand, losing all just to expand, falling faster than we planned. This is the heart of me, burning bridges with the bands. Oh, this is the heart of man, burning bridges with the bands. Oh, it's a pity. I could really make it my happy to be tea. Thinking money could fill all that's missing my scene. Like a shadow that wandered from time to places. I lit up a candle, but the dark still crept in. Now I'm dancing in silence. Truth has a taste, but doesn't make a sound. Doesn't make a sound. A sound. This is the heart of me, burning bridges with the bands. Oh, this is the heart of
Taking everything from me.
burning bridges with the
Now I am left with nothing. You have turned me to a finished man, a man that has no hope, has no future, nothing at all. It's okay. You have won. I accept. You have won. I would help you finish the job.
Great is indeed a killer. But God has given us a second chance. Let me have it. The government has paid my dad the money they've been owing him for years. He gave me my share of 5 million naira. He prayed over it, so it would yield. Please, you don't have to kill yourself. I know it's very hard to start over again, but it is honorable when one reaps the reward of hard work. So you don't have to do this. It's okay. Don't worry. Everything will be fine, okay?
Thank you.
And this, what were you thinking? This should never cross your mind again. Everything will be fine, okay? We'll start a business, we'll start our lives afresh with the money my dad gave us. Alright?
Falling faster than we planned. This is the heart of me, burning bridges with the bands. Oh, this is the heart of me, burning bridges with the bands. Oh, it's a pity. I could really make it my happy to be tea. Thinking money could fill all that's missing my scene. Like a shadow that wandered from time to places. I lit up a candle, but the dark still crept in. Now I'm dancing in silence. Truth has a taste.